Let's look at this complex number. They say we have to use the Moivre theorem to evaluate and leave the answer in a polar form. So first of all, we'll deal with the top part. Let me do it separately, and the bottom part as well. So first of all, I will multiply this one by this one. I'll have 6, and then 3 multiplied by I is 3i. Multiplying 2i by 2 will have positive 4i. Multiply 2i by I, we have 2i square. Then from here I will add the like term. In 6 I'll add 3 and 4, you have 7i. And then you know that I square equals to negative I. So we'll change the I square to negative. I square equals to negative 1. We change the I square to negative 1, then we have something like so changing that one, negative 2. So we'll add negative 2 with the 6, and then we'll have 4 plus 7i. There we have to change it to polar form. So to change it to polar form, first of all, let's change the angle. So the angle we use tan. -1, negative, we'll have this one is the y and this one is the x, so we have 7/4. And then using the calculator, let me see. Okay, second function shift, so it will be 7 you have 60 as well, you have 60 as well, angle 60,22. So as you can see from here, we use the arctan to find the angle. So our angle is 60,255, and then we use Pythagoras theorem to find the value of r. So the value of r is 8,06. So we'll put them together on top, because now it's so we have 8,06. Now it's in a form of a polar form there. This part, the bottom part, this one, it's in a polar form, so we're trying to change it to polar form. We have to 255 degrees. So now we'll deal with the bottom part, which is square root of 4 minus 9 cube. Notice there's a cube here. So dealing with this part, we'll use the arctan, and then we'll use the Pythagoras theorem, and then we so we have angle. So you will notice that the square root of 4 is 2, and yeah, square root of 4 is 2. So you can change it if you want to. So we have the angle, and let's check the radius using Pythagoras theorem. So these are the any basic how to use to find the polar form. So what is x, and then our y, it's 9, -9 square, then r square. So what do we have? 4 plus 81 is 85. Shift square root of 85, what is square root of 85 is 9,2. So we'll have something like 85 equals to r square, and then r is 9,2. So now, as you can see, there's a cube here, so you have to use their rules. This formula. So we have our r as 9,2, and the angle is -7, -77,47 degrees. So squaring this one, what we have, squaring, say, square cube, it's a raised to 3. You have something like 783,66783,66. So multiplying the 77, the -77 by 3 is 232,41. Okay, now we have the bottom and the top part. Now we can put them together, because we have something like, at the beginning we have something like 3 plus 2i So we'll take this one. This one is the top part, which is 8,06, and the angle is at 60. Yes. Now we'll divide the radius and add this negative, and add the angle. So we'll say it's 60,255, 292,665. So we have angle as 292,665 degrees. So the So this is the answer we have converted to polar form.